Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing Builderall. If persons don't know what Builderall is an all-in-one platform that you can use to get your business started. And they have multiple tools within the dashboard that you can use to get started. So this is just an overall Builderall review so that you guys can have an understanding what Builderall is. First and foremost, if you're an online marketer and you need to get your website sorted out, or your funnels, or anything to do with your business to promote products, promote your own products, other person's products, doesn't matter. You'll first need to have an online presence, and Builderall can assist you with that. So this is just an insight into my dashboard. I have a premium plan. They have other plans available for you guys. These price range from free to premium, and as you can see, we believe in underpricing and over delivering. Let me just break this down for you. On the free plan, you can connect 0 domains, so no like on those other website builders where you'll have, for example, mysitesplatform.com. That's what you get here. So you'll have like Ricardo Henry at Builderall.com. So you won't have your own domain for you to highlight that. On the builder plan, you can connect up to 3 domains. So if you are just starting out, you can use the builder plan, and you can get that for just $19.90 a month. And you get all these tools: the drag and drop website builder, the ultimate subdomain, unlimited subdomains, membership area, blogging app, super checkout for affiliate stores, and all that. You can view these. I'll just leave a link below in the description, and you can get to see all the information in the plans that they offer. I have the premium plans, so I get all the tools, including the funnel club, which I'll share with you in another video. So the premium plan gives me everything that I need, and I'll just go back to my back office and show you guys what exactly I'm referring to. So here I am back in my back office. So when you log into builderall.com, you'll have all these available to you, and you can ensure that you see what you need to see here. So I just populated my back office with the tools I use. The Cheetah Builder is where I used to build my website. So this is my personal branded website right here. It's branddesignmarketing.com. And I used Builderall to create this website. So this website was strictly created in Builderall. So branddesignmarketing.com, that's my personal branded website. So you can use Builderall to create anything you need to create. So back to the information in the back office. You can access all these tools once you're a premium member. So whatever plan you select, you would have to ensure that you unlock those tools in the back office. So you won't have access to all the tools in the back office, just the ones that are available to you on your particular plan. So that is why I love to use the premium plan, because I get to use all the tools. And as a brand design marketer, I am able to ensure that I get everything I need to assist you and other clients as it relates to earning an income online, building an online presence, and ensuring that they have everything at their fingertips to do what they need. So as you can see, the ones that are ticked are the ones that are already in my back office, my dashboard, and they're all unlocked. So I'm using most of these for now. So the ones that are not installed will be below. Excuse me. So you will have access to everything, and once you are willing to insert one, then you'll select it and you'll add to dashboard. This is already in my dashboard. That's where I see go to dashboard. So if I go back to my dashboard, you see all of that. Once you become an affiliate, once you become a Builderall member, doesn't matter free or premium, you automatically become an affiliate. So you can access the affiliate portal from here, and you'll see all the information that you need to be and to use the affiliate program. So as I said, since I'm a premium member, I have access to everything, including all the funnels that I need to promote Builderall. They offer a wide variety of done-for-you sales pages. So these pages are already created for you. So you have the general Builderall homepage that is affiliated with your affiliate link. I'll go more in depth in these in later videos. So these are relevant sales pages. They are coming out to Builderall 4.0 in October. That launches October 1st, and you'll hear some more about that as well. So these done for you pages are all equipped with your affiliate link. You can put your tracking tags in them. They have demo funnels. They have everything for you to promote Builderall, as well as they have other products, niche products that you can actually use as an affiliate to ensure that you get the best out of the program, and you can start promoting within minutes. This is a funnel showcase. This is where you have, as I was explaining, the niche funnels. So if you're a photographer or you want to promote to photographers, tutors, mechanics, let's get this over here, music teacher, restaurants, financial coach, delivery driver, nutritionist, you name it. So if just as how you go out there and promote other people's products, if you want to earn some money while using Builderall for your personal business, you can have all these done for you funnels available if you access the premium plan. So I'll leave this link in the description below. So I'll give you a $1 free trial to access everything here for 30 days. And then you can decide for yourself after you watch all the training videos and everything that if it's a good fit for you. I've been using this now for a while, and trust me, I've received a whole lot of information, and I've done a whole lot of things that I've never done online before, and it is worth my while. So you have all the done for you information here. So if you're going to use, for example, the nutritionist funnel, you can view the funnel here. You can download the social media information for like the pictures and everything, and you can get the ad description if you're going to run social media ads. So it shows you the ad type, location, age, gender, who you should target, gives you a main text, title and description and all of that. So everything is done for you. So you don't have to do anything but just get the funnel, get the social media downloads, the pictures and everything else, get the ad copy, and you can start promoting to all these persons or all these niche people. So you just get all the information you need here: handyman, pool cleaner, furniture, translator, insurance broker, etc. So that's the funnel showcase. So just a brief overview of the tools. So they don't just offer lightning fast websites, they provide every other tool that you'll ever need. And just a synopsis, as I was explaining, Cheat, a website builder, build beautiful and insanely fast websites. It's mobile friendly, mobile optimized, so when you build the website, it is available on mobile versions. You can set up membership sites, you can do A/B tests, split testing. Super checkout is for persons who have products that they want to sell. If you're doing coaching and you want to book persons for your coaching, if you want to promote other people's products and you want to add it to your site, you use Super Checkout for that. This is Super Checkout for affiliates, as I was explaining, for other person's products. Bump sell, upsells, we will get into more on that in other videos. Page load accelerator, this is the fastest loading page optimized site I've ever seen. Mobile page loading accelerator, same difference. Smart pop-up, so you know sometimes when you go to a website and you're trying to exit, or you click on something and there's something that pops up on your screen, that's called a smart pop-up. For example, on my site, I have a get started button here. If I click this, it pops up a service quotation request. So that's a smart pop-up. So you have other ways of doing this, but that's just what I chose for my particular website. Website sharing, you can build sites in your Builderall back office, and if other persons have Builderall access, you can transfer that site to them fully, or you can keep a copy and transfer. SSL certificate is mandatory, it's built in, so once you created domain and you connect your domain, you automatically get the certification. Email marketing, which is very powerful, So when you sign up a person's email, you say, oh, enter information here, and then you get some information from them via email. This is where email marketing comes in, and it's very much automated. You can provide scarcity timers and everything. The website is backed up daily. For persons who are interested in WordPress, they have a 3-click integration, so you don't have to worry that, oh, you have to build everything in Builderall. However, if you're still familiar with WordPress and you want to use WordPress, you can activate your website in Builderall and do everything in the back office there in Builderall, but you still have your WordPress site. Sitebot, you won't have any control over that. The sitebot is what you can use. There's this automated pop-up that comes up to the right of your screen that you can use to ensure that you're communicating with your members. So there's a whole lot of different things here: professional messenger chat, SMS messaging, webinar app, Facebook live streaming, YouTube live streaming, virtual assistant access. So when I'm creating websites for other persons who don't want me to build it in my site, then transfer it to them, they just give me virtual access. However, this is only available in some of the plans, not all plans. And you have your email, responsive email builder, funnel sharing. You can build your blog right now on this. So right now I have my blog just starting. So I have my blog post set up, and I'm really happy about this. So I don't really have to go to WordPress, but yeah, I can use Builderall and build my blog. So again, that's just a basic Builderall review, and you can get access to all this information. You can click on the link in the description and you can activate a $1 30-day full access trial. Normally I'll give you a 14-day trial that you'll only be limited to using some things for 14 days, and then you'll have to activate. But I prefer giving persons full access to the site, so you can get the $1 access and you can get all of this in the back office and everything else that you see here. Play around with it, do what you're doing for 30 days, and you can opt out if you need to, and it will only cost you $1. So persons pay $69.90 for this every month, which is much cheaper than everywhere else that you'll have to get all of these tools from everywhere else to put together in one. Builderall has everything in one, but then you can get all this for $69.90 per month, or you can start with a builder plan to connect at least 3 domains, and you can even get a free plan. So just click the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, just don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.